Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that has been on the minds of many, creating a passive income strategy. Whether you're looking to escape the rat race, achieve financial freedom, or simply secure your future, having a solid passive income plan can be a game changer. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of building a comprehensive and effective strategy that can potentially lead you towards your financial goals. So without further ado, let's get started. Chapter 1. Understanding passive income. Before we begin crafting our strategy, let's understand what passive income truly is. Unlike active income, where you can exchange your time for money, passive income allows you to earn money with minimal ongoing effort. It's all about making your money work for you. Passive income sources include rental properties, dividends from stocks, royalties from intellectual property, and more. The key is to establish income streams that require less day-to-day involvement as time goes on. Chapter 2. Setting your financial goals. Like any journey, it's important to have a destination in mind. Determine your financial goals, whether it's retiring early, paying off debts, or achieving a certain level of income. Make sure these goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This will provide you with clear direction as you build your passive income strategy. Chapter 3. Types of passive income streams. There are numerous passive income streams to choose from. Let's explore a few. Real estate investments. Consider rental properties or real estate crowdfunding platforms to earn steady rental income. Dividend stocks. Invest in companies that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders. Create and sell. Develop and sell an ebook, online course, or app to generate royalties. Peer-to-peer lending. Lend money to individuals or small businesses for interest returns. Automated online businesses. Launch an e-commerce store or affiliate marketing website. Stock photography or art. Sell your creative work on platforms like Shutterstock or Etsy. High-yield savings accounts. Park your money in accounts that offer competitive interest rates. Chapter 4. Research and education. Knowledge is power. Educate yourself about your chosen income streams. Understand the market trends, potential risks, and strategies for maximizing returns. Read books, attend webinars, and follow financial experts who specialize in your chosen area. Remember, informed decisions lead to better results. Chapter 5. Building your investment portfolio. Diversification is the key to reducing risk in your portfolio. Spread your investments across different income streams and asset classes. This can protect you from market volatility and economic downturns. Start small and gradually build your portfolio as you gain confidence and experience. Chapter 6. Creating systems and automation. The beauty of passive income lies in its ability to generate money while you focus on other aspects of your life. Embrace technology and automation tools that can streamline your operations. For instance, property management software for rental properties or email automation for your online businesses. The more you can set and forget, the more passive your income becomes. Chapter 7. Monitoring and optimization. Passive income doesn't mean you should be completely hands-off. Regularly review your investments and income streams. Are they performing as expected? Can you optimize your strategy for better results? Stay adaptable and willing to make adjustments when necessary. Chapter 8. Patience and long-term thinking. Building a substantial passive income takes time. It's not an overnight success story. Be patient and stick to your strategy. Avoid chasing after quick wins or getting discouraged by temporary setbacks. A long-term perspective is your greatest asset in this journey. Chapter 9. Reinvesting for growth. As your passive income grows, consider reinvesting a portion of it back into your income streams. This can lead to compounding returns and accelerate your journey towards financial freedom. Chapter 10. Enjoying the fruits of your labor. Congratulations, you successfully built a passive income strategy. Now it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Whether it's traveling the world, spending more time with loved ones, or pursuing hobbies, passive income can grant you the freedom to live life on your terms. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating a passive income strategy. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Your strategy should align with your goals, risk tolerance, and expertise. So take action, stay committed, and watch your financial future transform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on achieving financial success. Until next time, happy investing.